Having Microvellum actually saves a lot of time out on the floor. It's been really good. The CNC can cut it once you draw it. It just follows what you're doing. Straight away, you're into it and you've got it. And off you go, and the guys find it quite easy. They are quite difficult projects, and if you're doing them manually, gosh, it'll take some time. Having Microvellum do them and put them to CNCs makes so much quicker time to it. And you're at the door, the builder's going, oh, what are you doing here? And I thought it'll take months. No, we're here. We're ready to put it in. And I'll put all that back down to Microvellum and being able to draw it quickly, and for the guys to assemble it quickly. They can come into the office and have a look at the program if something's quite hard, because it is quite hard sometimes, if things going on left, right and centre, and they're looking at these parts going, what is this? And they'll come in here and look at it, and I'll explain it, and off they go. Or I'll detail it on a plan from Microvellum. It all becomes quite easy to do. We go out on site and they go, oh wow, how'd you do that? And secret is Microvellum.